If you run a business, an agency, or if you are a freelancer, you know that finding good leads is the hardest part of the job. You usually have to pay hundreds of dollars for lead databases or spend hours scraping Google Maps manually. But today I'm going to show you how to turn Claude into a fully automated lead generation machine. And the best part, we are going to do this completely free using Claude's free tier and a tool called Apify. So let's get started. First, we will use this platform called Apify. So if you don't know it, Apify is a very powerful platform for web scraping and data extraction. So they have a very generous free plan that is perfect for this. So once you create your free account, you will land on this dashboard. So we need to go to the settings here and then go to API integrations and just copy your API key. So this is what gives Claude the power to browse and scrape the web. Now you need to download Claude for desktop and go here and go to customize and connectors. So here you will find the Apify connector and just enable and paste your API key. And basically that's it. Once you enable the tool and also allows all the permissions here, you can go to your Claude and let's just first test if we are connected. So before we start generating the leads, let's do a quick test here just to be absolutely sure we are connected to Apify. So let's ask to Claude, test if I am connected to Apify. Okay, perfect. It says yes, so this is a great way to first test the connection. And now here is where the magic happens. If we just ask Claude to find leads, it will probably hallucinate or give us like bad data. So to fix this, I engineered a high specific lead generation prompt. So this prompt forces Claude to act as a prospector. And most importantly, it forces Claude to interview us before doing any research. Okay, so let's wait and look at this. So first we have some blocks on the prompt. The block one is about me, the prospector. So look at this. Instead of just generating random stuff, Claude is now asking me interactive questions to build the perfect scrapping filter. So it's like having a conversation with a data scientist. So let's say I am a web design or development, and the services I offer is website development and design. And my differentiator is that, personal branding. Okay. And to the block 2, it will ask about our ideal leads. So let's say I want to sell to restaurant owners. And in the geographic location may be nationwide in the United States, and maybe I want to sell to small business. And here it asks if the lead already have digital presence. So I say like any about our lead audience. Okay. So the customer, let's say, is families and parents. Let's see. So we have the block 4 now, the quality filters, and the minimum time in operation for lead is like, let's say, at least a year. And how many leads do I want? I will say first to only 25 leads. Any exclusion filters, I will say no exclusion, I will filter manually, okay? And now the magic will start to happen. So basically, it will summarize our questions and it will trigger our API in Apify. So basically what Apify is doing here is deploying Google Maps scrapers and checking websites to find exactly what we need. Since real-time web scraping can take a minute or two to gather all the emails, phone numbers, and reviews, I will pause the video and I will be back as soon as it's done. And we are back, and look at this amazing result here. So Claude successfully controlled the Apify and generated a clean, organized CSV tables with our leads. So we have here a table with the business name, the location, the phone, the email, the review, the rating, also the digital presence. And also look at this specific column here, the notes. So because of our prompt, Claude analyzed their digital presence and left notes like a diverse menu, good reviews, branding, storytelling, urban LA restaurant. So this could be also really useful when we are selling our product. And like if you are a web designer, this is like your golden ticket. You don't just call them blindly. You call them and say, hey, I notice you are a urban LA restaurant. So you have like opportunity to give a branding upgrade. So this is really great. And the conversation rate for this type of cold outreach is huge. And you can simply download this CSV and import it straight into your HubSpot or any CRM you use. So this entire workflow was done on the free tier, combining Claude's intelligence with Apify scraping power. And if you want to use this exact prompt, I will left a link to it in the description below, completely free. And if this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for my more AI automation and agents tutorials. So I'm Fernando, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.